Fat loss. It is a simple concept, less calories in and more calories out. But many fitness coaches had made this thing very complicated just to get low competition in the game. If you think about it deeply, it's not that tough in the way they are telling you or teaching you. You clicked on this video because you are a fat person and not that attractive to your opposite gender, or maybe you wanted to burn fat in an easier manner. I can understand, and that problem ends here. But it needs discipline. If you can be disciplined in your work and honest to yourself here, you have achieved 80% of the game, and the rest of 20%, I will teach you. Don't worry, it's your work to follow the blueprint and be disciplined, that's it. Be focused. I will share with you some of the greatest techniques to burn your fat like a warrior, sharing the most effective method for muscle gain in the end. So, let's make it more interesting. Let's say swords to tips. Sword number 1. Never ever eat more or less calorie-rich food for breakfast. It's okay if you eat a mix of carbs and protein, but it will get more amazing when you eat high-protein foods or just skip breakfast every day. If you're serious about your goals or want to change your life, there shouldn't be any cheat meal day. Sword number 2. Always remember to drink warm water. Because
warm water burns fat, cold water adds to fat.
So follow this. Sword number 3. Always take a cold shower in the morning as well as before going to bed. It helps in the recovery of your muscles and increases your blood circulation. Mostly recommended. Sword number 4. Want clear and focused mind for the entire day? Want to be active the whole day? So set your diet plan for the one-time meal method. In simple words, skip every meal of the day and just have one meal that will be your dinner. And just have meat or a high level of protein intake at your dinner. If you are a man, don't ever share your hungry feeling with others. Keep it within you. Don't act like a jerk. Here's the master key for gaining high levels of muscle in less time. Intake your protein shake or protein items before going to bed and after taking the cold shower. You can't even imagine the result you will get within a month. So it's that simple to have a good physique body and good mental health. Remember, what you consume is the reason for your thinking perspective.